This meditation will make your specific person extremely attracted to you and make them confess their love for you. This is genuinely one of the most powerful meditations I have ever made, so please use with caution. Now let's begin. They are extremely attracted to me. They are absolutely attracted to me. It's obvious that they find me extremely attractive. I am like a love drug to them. They want to spend the whole day in my presence. I am the most beautiful person to ever exist in their eyes. I am their dream partner. They notice my supernatural and enchanting beauty. I am the person they see in their dreams. They have a soft spot when it comes to me. I am the most attractive person they have ever laid eyes on. I am the only person they are attracted to. My personality makes me so attractive too. The way I say things is cute. My voice is beautiful. My smile causes their heart to skip a beat. How I talk to them makes their whole day. They love talking to me. They love how if they wanted to, they could call me in the middle of the night and talk until one of us falls asleep. They have completely fallen in love with me. They smile while thinking of me. Their love for me is deeper than an ocean and brighter than the sun. I am the lead of their romantic dreams. They spend most of the day thinking about me. They make excuses just to be near me. The love they feel for me is more intense than an electromagnetic force. They rapidly develop deep romantic feelings for me. When we are around each other, it's as if two souls have reconnected. They crave me like their lungs crave air. It all started with a simple hello when suddenly their mind starts to concentrate on only me. Whenever they see me, talk to me, or even go near me, they get butterflies and a huge smile as their problems all start to disappear because of how happy I make them. I am the part that their heart has been missing all this time. The truth is they like me a lot. I make them happy. I make them laugh. I'm smart. I am different. My smile alone makes their whole entire day. They confess their love to me. The love they feel for me is so strong that they want to tell me instantly. They ask me out on dates. They confess their love to me in a romantic way. They have a strong desire to confess their love to me. They want to be my significant other. All they think about is confessing their love to me. They successfully confess their love to me. They confess that they love me more than they let on. They fell in love with me while also walking into love with me. In 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, and in any version of reality, they would find me and choose me. I feel like home to them. They confess that they love me. I am the person they are currently in love with. They want to spend every second with me and pretty much the rest of their life. We have a healthy and positive relationship. They genuinely want the best for me. They talk about me to others all the time in positive and nice ways. We have a long-term relationship everyone approves of. They respect all of my boundaries. They are extremely loyal to me. They text and talk to me as if their life depends on it. They love me more than life itself. They want and desire to hang out with me every day. They crave me every single second of the day. They are addicted to being with me and would do anything to get that satisfaction. Everything they do remind them of me. They are desperate for my attention. They rely on me for everything. I am their full-blown addiction, the oxygen in their lungs, and the missing piece to their soul. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type They confess their love for me in a romantic way to affirm. Listen to this as many times as you can. The more you listen, the more rapid the results. And if you want your desired person obsessed with you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really easy to get super fast results. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. I have now manifested love for thousands of clients, and I want you to be my next success story. I hope you have an amazing day and enjoy listening to this next meditation.